So now I wrote a new unit test to test a more sophisticated coordinator pattern. You're probably more familiar with it. It's the coordinator pattern that I use for the tab bar, big tab bar controller. So, um, yeah, this is more sophisticated, but it still covers the same idea. We're going to walk through the code. Again, I've pushed the code up to GitHub, and you guys can clone it to your machine, walk through it. But this is how you're going to test your coordinator pattern. So here we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this and see what it does. All right, so we have a trending movies. And of course, this list is hard coded, but this tab shows our trending movies. This tab shows our trending shows. Show 1, 2, and 3. This shows our movie search. And of course, we click here and boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. List for our search. 1, 2, 3. Result for our TV search. Movie search, TV search, trending shows, and trending movies. Okay. Now, let's go over here and let's. These are our views, a content view right here, which is basically where you see all of our tabs. That's our content view. Okay. Okay. Trending movies view, which is our list of movies, right? And of course, there's a presenter that where we have our array of movies, trending show view, movie search view, and TV search view. Okay. These are all of these views. Okay. Let's stop. These are all these views. Oh crap. Oh, get out of there. Okay. All right. These are all of these views. Okay. This view. This view. These are all these views. Okay. TV search view right here. Right. Our movie view, search view right here. Trending shows view right here. And our trending movies view right here. Okay. Now, then we have our tab functionality. This is our tab functionality. This actually exists in our content view right here. Trending movies tab right here. Okay. Trending movies tab. Okay. Let me go back to our content view. Our trending movies tab. And then we create, we use that object everywhere. We use objects that way for not just the movies tab, but for the shows, for the movie search tab, for the TV search tab, right here. Okay, we have a protocol. This protocol works with our coordinator. First, look at our presenters, right? We have a trending movie presenter, and where is this? If you've forgotten, our presenter is available in our view. See, trending movies presenter, and what is in our presenter? Of course, our presenter has our movies, right? Our array of movies, right? And of course, we pass to it, fetch trending movies, or on it, well, when it's initialized, it uses fetch trending movies. Okay. Then once it's initialized, it won't do that anymore. But right here, this is where we have our delayed, right? 1 second. And then it populates our published variable. It populates it with movie 1, 2, and 3. So, right. So again, our trending movies presenter ends up where? In our view, right here, presenter. On appear, we fetch, right? Then we present. And again, so now you need your trending movies coordinator, right? And it's observed object. That means it reflects, because it's observed, it reflects the changes. It's going to reflect the changes that is in, that is in this coordinator property. Okay. So let's see how this trending movies coordinator works. Well, it has no implementation. I'll show you. Where's our coordinator? Coordinator, app coordinator. Trending movies coordinator, no implementation, right? Show trending movies, however. And I'm going to show you where this is called. This is our coordinator. We create an instance of the trending movies coordinator, right? And we set the coordinator equal to trending movies coordinator, right? And current view equals any view, trending movies view, coordinator's coordinator, right? And so ultimately, without going too in depth, this gives the power of finding all of the views for these different tabs. It puts it in this coordinator, app coordinator right here. Okay. So in each tab, you'll notice that there is um a trending movies tab. Go back here. Show trending movies. And we're gonna do this. Check this out. Show trending movies. Right. So we have that here. Right. We have this here. And of course, in our unit test, which I'm not gonna. But show training movies, this is where we actually make a change. I can easily do this. Hit a break. We'll come back here. Oh, that's right. It won't do it because why? Because when you go to training movies presenter, all this is done in the initializer. Once it's initialized, once this presenter is initialized one time, you don't have to initialize it anymore. So let me do this so I can demonstrate. So instead of looking at this, I will look at the show trending shows presenter instead of trending movies presenter, right? This is a trending show. So I will go to trending shows presenter and right here, first time it comes up, it will hit this breakpoint. And there we go. It hits our breakpoint. Fetch trending shows. This is it right here. Right? And so show trending shows. So and I'm gonna show you something else. As I go here, give me a second. No, that's that. There we go. No, that's not it. So that broke right there. Where's my stack trace? So now this hit here, and you can see we are in the stag trays, right? Let's see. This is where everything starts. So as you can see, I'm back here. This is where everything stops. But as you go down each node, it goes back further and further towards the beginning. This is kind of like where it starts. The entry to the app right here. This at main struct. That's the entry to pretty much mostly all apps. So, but as you can see, you can kind of go back and forth all the way up from the beginning of the app to the breakpoint. So, what I would encourage you to do is to go back through here, look at the coordinator functionality, um, and walk through it so that you understand it for yourself. Because I can sit here and code it all day, and excuse me, talk to you about it, but you have to dig in so that you learn it. Okay, that's enough for today. On to the next.